Hey guys, Thomas Dallin here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this model year 25 Yamaha 195S. Guys, the 195S is the flagship of the 19-foot boats for the Yamaha lineup. All the extra bells and whistles on this model. Beautiful boat, guys. You see it's got the gray hull color, the black stripe, and the white cap up top. You've got your docking lights up front here, nicely integrated in the side of the bow. You've got your nav light posted up front. Nice pop-up cleats throughout the whole boat. Let's take a look at the stern. All right, guys, take a look at the stern of the Yamaha on the 195S. This is a huge focal point for everybody while boating. Not only is it a great area to conversate, hang out, you've got your cup holders, you've got your stereo remote, nice ladder, sits low in the water level, perfect for entertaining, hanging out when you're sitting in the cove. Easy for putting on your water skis, getting your inner tube ready, swimming, jumping off the back of the deck. One of the best things about the Yamaha is this nice open back deck here. Let's come aboard and look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard. You'll see the bow of the 195S. Perfect seating for at least 2 full-size adults, even more with the sun pad that fills this into a giant full sun deck. You've got cup holders located up front. Nice handles for holding on. Speakers for your listening pleasure. Nice walk-through windshield door here in the center with storage on both sides underneath these consoles. Taking a look at the helm on the 195S, you'll see it's got the larger Connect screen for the 19-foot series, your Hertz stereo, all your switches, nice cell phone holder, nice little pocket here for holding your wallet or extra supplies, cup holder. Even have a bolster on your seat that gives you nice visibility above the windshield here. This model has a side-by-side captain's chair, nice seating here in the cockpit, and this additional table that comes in and out that you can also add back here. Water sports tower with a bimini top that extends up to the front of this windshield, give her nice coverage throughout the whole cockpit. What a great boat, guys. For more information, please give us a call or stop by our Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.